I'm here today to announce that the program known as DACA that was effectuated under the Obama administration is being rescinded.
DACA decision made, the Attorney General making that announcement today. And now it's up to Congress to pass legislation that might end up saving the program that's been in effect for the past 5 years.
We do have team coverage of today's DACA decision, taking you to rallies being held across West Michigan. You'll also hear from a young student directly impacted by all of this.
But we start with our political reporter Rick Albany showing us how Michigan lawmakers are reacting to the news.
And you saw how it all started this morning when Attorney General Jeff Sessions told the world, but specifically Congress, that this program that was created by executive action was being canceled.
Such an open-ended circumvention of immigration laws was an unconstitutional exercise of authority by the executive branch.
No additional applications will be taken, but this is not the end of the program, not yet. Current Dreamers, as they are called, who are in the program, can renew their permit for 2 additional years if their current permit is expected to expire by March of 2018. There's also an opportunity for the program or a similar plan to be implemented by Congress. In a statement, President Trump said, quote, "I am not going to just cut DACA off, but rather provide a window of opportunity for Congress to finally act." For their part, Congress responded. Flint Representative Dale Kildee said in part, quote, "The Trump administration's decision to end DACA is heartbreaking. Dreamers grew up in the United States, brought here by their parents through no fault of their own, and we cannot turn our backs on them." Congressman went on to say that Congress can and must act to fix our broken immigration system, including passing legislation to protect Dreamers. St. Joe's Fred Upton, a Republican, said, "For these young men and women, the United States is their home. They've been raised in our neighborhoods, attended our schools, served in our military, in our communities. Rather than an executive order, it is the responsibility of Congress to work together on fair and rigorous bipartisan legislation that addresses the long-term uncertainty facing these young people." Now, Upton has sponsored at least 2 bills that he says would deal with DACA. But the problem that exists is as Congress heads back to work in this already unstable environment, they've got things like immigration reform, not just DACA, but comprehensive immigration reform, a debt ceiling that they're going to have to vote on raising. You've still got the conversation about the border wall, some kind of tax reform, and an infrastructure package. And given where they've been so far this year, it seems unlikely they can deal with all of that. But they do have a full plate, something we'll be watching this fall. Back to you.